Read the story and answer the questions. Jason's basketball hoop. Most days after school, Jason changed into his gym shorts and went straight out to the backyard. He grabbed a basketball from the bucket of sports equipment in the garage and dribbled the ball around to the driveway. One spring afternoon, Jason got home and began his usual routine. He put on his gym shorts, sneakers, and grabbed his basketball. When he walked around to the driveway, he stopped. The basketball hoop was missing. Jason wanted to cry. Jason ran back inside the house to ask his sister Sasha if she knew anything about the missing basketball hoop. Yeah, Aunt Donna took it to her new house. It was her hoop, remember? She was just storing it at our house until she moved out of the city, Sasha told him. Jason felt like he couldn't breathe. How was he going to practice every day now? How was he going to reach his dreams of someday being a professional basketball player? Jason sat down on Sasha's bed and put his head in his hands. Sasha said, "It will be okay, buddy. You can shoot hoops at the basketball court at the park around the corner." Jason looked up. "The high school girls team plays there. I'm nervous to play with teenagers," he said sadly. "Why don't you just try it once?" Sasha asked him. Jason decided that one try wouldn't hurt. He told Sasha thanks, then headed over to the park. When he got to the court, no one else was in sight. Jason stood on the free throw line and shot basket after basket. After a few minutes, Jason heard a voice say, "Hey, you!" Jason turned around. It was one of the girls from the high school team. "I'm Anna. You're pretty good," she said. Jason could feel his face turning pink. A few more girls walked up behind her. "Hey, play with us. We need another person today anyway," Anna continued. "Are you sure?" Jason asked. "I'm only 10 years old." Anna grabbed the ball from him and nodded. They started to play, and Jason felt right at home. The teenagers were good, but he could keep up with them. He smiled, thinking about how he would still be able to play basketball every day. Answer the questions. Underline text evidence that supports your answer.